Welcome to Cindy Eats. I'm Cindy. Hey. Amen, amen, amen. So, I was challenged by Debo Vibes and the Real Lady Red ASMR for the Twisted Taco Challenge. This is a spinoff from the Twisted Nachos Challenge. However, this is a collab slash challenge with Debo Vibes and CJ and Sharice. You gotta have two traditional toppings, three non-traditional toppings. I went a little different. You know what I'm saying? I do different stuff. You know what I'm saying? I do different things. So I have a chicken gyro taco. Let me say it. Chicken gyro taco. I got lettuce, tomatoes, traditional. I got Greek style chicken. I got cheddar. I got mozzarella. I got Parmesan cheese. I got onions and mushrooms. Tzatziki sauce. This is a cucumber dill uh, sauce. I'm gonna work these shadows out one day. One day. But let me take a bite. So you know they had hard tacos. I got soft tacos because I wanted to mimic the gyro. Oh, let me put my stuff back. Mm-hmm. 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 I'm gonna add a touch of verde. See how it tastes. Mm. So good. H2O, baby. I was hungry, y'all. I had to take a bite or two or three. How are y'all doing today? Is everybody well? Did you have a good day at work? If you went to work? And if you didn't work, what did you do today? Let me know. Me, work went well. It went well. I had a doctor's appointment this morning before work. Just, blood work. On one thing. They checked my weight. I ain't gained not 1 pound, but I ain't lost none. I've maintained this current weight for about 3 months. So now we got to move to the losing phase. So, that's, sort of good news. This right here, delicioso. if you had a gyro, gyro, however you pronounce it, all that and then some. I toasted my tortillas just so they can get a little crispy, slightly like pita bread, but not overly crispy. That's really good. I had mandatory overtime today. I basically have mandatory overtime 5 hours a week. 5 hours a week until the director of my building decides we don't need it. And what that be? We have no idea. So, video a little later than I want it to be. But today is Wednesday, and y'all gonna get this Thursday. Friday is another challenge video coming. Let me say this. So I'll show all the bad parts of this thing. Oh, but my stuff gonna get salty. I don't wanna do that. Okay. Thank you for all my returning family members. Thank you for joining me tonight for dinner. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and pull you up a chair to the table. Make sure you like the video before you leave. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think about these tacos. Did I do a twisted taco? Let me know. I love sauteed mushrooms. Love sauteed mushrooms. Y'all, I'm going to ask you a question. But first, let me tell you a short story time. So, it was yesterday, matter of fact. It happened. So, I went to the bathroom, you know, as people tend to do throughout the day. And I came out the stall. I had on a dress. My dress was tucked into my undies. Yeah, I know. But as I was coming out the stall, someone was coming into the stall. Not into the stall, I'm sorry, into the bathroom. So she seen it. There is a mirror in the bathroom. I didn't, feel no extra air because my dress was kind of long, thick. So I didn't feel, a lot of extra air. Mind you, this is from the front. How did it happen? I don't know. Don't judge me. But it was in the front. So, it was tucked in slightly like that. But you see, my parts was covered. She didn't see any of that. She didn't see my underwear. But, it was close to it. So, when she, I'm coming out the stall, she coming in the bathroom, and she said, "Whoa," and turned her eyes. I said, "What the?" But it's a mirror directly, on the wall before you leave, so you can check yourself. So, I'm coming out, she coming in, she was blocking the mirror. She said, averted her eyes and went to the bathroom, and I seen it. I said, "I be damned. I be damned." Mind you, she not my best friend at work. Mm-mm. We have spoken before, had conversations. We know each other's names. She didn't say, "Girl, fix your skirt, fix your dress, check yourself," nothing. Am I wrong for not for feeling like, of course, I was slightly embarrassed, but hey, it is what it is. It happened, right? But you don't think she should have told me? You know, woman to woman. Like a man be like, check your fly. You don't think she should have told me? I really felt some way about it, right? I was like, next time I see that, I'm gonna. No, I ain't do that. It's my job. I ain't doing that. That's why I ain't saying nothing yesterday, because I was still processing it, right? But yeah, I really felt some type of way. Because it's not like, I don't know who you is. You don't know who I am. We've occupied the same space. Like, how more embarrassing is it for you than it is for me? I'm the one you saw partially of my goodies. So I see her in passing today. My first instinct was to be like, but I didn't. You know what I'm saying? I didn't. I think for a hot second my face might have said, but I pulled it together. And I was like, hey. She's like, hey. Which for me confirms the fact she should have told me. She should have told me something. Ladies and men. I know your dress don't get caught in your underwear, gentlemen. But what if your shirt get tucked, or shirt in the zip or something like? What you think? Let me know. Ladies, definitely tell me how y'all feel. Somebody. Am I wrong for feeling this way? Oh. So I know y'all noticed something. The gang is not here. The gang is not here. I don't know where they at. Doris is here. So you probably hear her TV and the AC. Try it. Cavender's Greek seasoning. Mm. I use chicken tenders. And I just shredded the chicken a little bit. Mm. Season it up. Added in the onions and the mushroom. And finished up with the onion powder, garlic powder, and Kinder's buttery garlic. If you ain't got that seasoning, go check it out. Delicious. Mm. I'm in front of the window, but that's my balcony. Sound like somebody's still popping fireworks. It's July 6th. And there you go. I'm like, mm. Yeah. It's over. If you made it this far, subscribe. Consider subscribing to the channel. I'm here for your viewing pleasure. Mm-hmm. You made it this far? Like the video. Give it a thumbs up. I hope to join you next time. I hope you'll join me the next time on Cynthia E's Food Delirious. Food Delirious. It's really that good. I ain't lying to you. Bye.